Hey guys, this is Cal with Off Leash Canine, and in this video I have Baloo, the 4-year-old chocolate lab, and his brother Zora, the 1-year-old black lab mix. When these guys came in, they did have a slight foundation in obedience, but struggled with the stability of holding their commands. Baloo was very outgoing and had a bad habit of pulling on the leash, while Zora was very fearful of men and cars specifically. Both of these boys needed a helping hand with their obedience, door manners, and loading into the car, as we can see in this video. During their 2 weeks with me, I'll be working on their obedience so their owner can easily handle these two large boys. Follow along this video to see the progress they make with me.
not be more impressed with their results. They have become, this one especially, has become so confident, so happy, so much more relaxed than when we started. He has been dealing with some major anxiety issues, some major fear issues, and now he's walking around on the leash. He's confident. Baloo would pull like a crazy dog, and now he's healing better than he ever has before. And yeah, I can't believe that it's only been 2 weeks. They are pretty much perfect at this point. I just need to keep up the hard work and the consistency. But yeah, I couldn't be happier with what Kyle has done with them, and I couldn't be more impressed. 10 out of 10 recommend.